In this video, I'm gonna show you the top 10 reasons why you should learn programming, or commonly called coding, in 2021. Number 10, you will feel highly accomplished and satisfied. Nowadays, programming is one of the most satisfactory jobs you can have. This is because in programming we can see the result of our work and the drastic impact it is putting in the world very easily. This makes you feel very accomplished and satisfied with your job. Number 9, increases your problem-solving skills. With programming, your problem-solving skills improve drastically. You can figure out the number of efficient ways of completing a single task, which increases your cognitive ability. While programming, you will always be enthusiastic about completing the different challenges, which impact your life in a much optimistic way. Number 8, programming is the closest thing we have to superpower. When it comes to programming, it is not only a good career option, but also the most creative career option you can have. Programmers are the wizard of today's generation. Programmers can create whatever they want with just a line of codes. Thinking it deeply gets us to the conclusion that programming is no less than magic or having the superpower. Number 7, you don't need any special qualification to be a programmer. Here is another good reason why you should learn coding or programming. If you have a good knowledge of top programming languages and have a couple of projects to show, then your qualifications or degree doesn't matter. As we know that Google, Facebook, Apple, Amazon and other big companies are now hiring only on the basis of skills and knowledge you have, it doesn't matter whether you are graduated or not. These tech giant companies conduct various online interviews for hiring purposes, and if you are good enough, this becomes a great opportunity for you. Number 6, highest job openings. Programming is the necessity of the modern world. A computer is necessary for every industry. As a result, there are thousands of job openings for programmers as well. Even in agriculture also, people are making use of computers and automation. There is an abundance of a job opening for the programmer and technical persons today. Number 5, highest paying jobs available. Now, here is another substantial and important reason to learn programming. Programming opens the door for you for getting the highest paying job, as programming comes under one of the top 10 highest paying computer science jobs. So, if you are a high pay seeker, then programming is for you. Number 4, world is craving for the good programmers. As the world is moving towards industrialization, computers are becoming our necessity. Computers are required in every field, which ultimately increases the demands of good programmers who can solve their problems in a much efficient way. So, if you are good at programming, then the world is full of opportunities for you. Number 3, lifetime learning. Every next day a new technology is introduced which replaces the old one. Today, Android app development is in a boom, but we don't know about the next 2 to 3 years. Whether it will be still so popular in the future or not. So, a lifetime learning attitude is mandatory. Similarly, programming and software engineering is a lifetime learning job. Nowadays, every next day a new technology is introduced, which affects our day-to-day. So, it's the job of a software engineer to learn the upcoming and in-demand technologies and use it for the benefits of people. So, programmers are forced to learn new technology. It will be much favorable if you have the habit of learning and adopting changes in life. Number 2, being entrepreneur. Programmers are not only limited to an employee, but many programmers have started their own business and living their dream life. These days, most of the products and services we use are digital. So, being a digital entrepreneur or starting your business with digital products or services is a good option. Now, if you have just started your business and have no money to invest in hiring the programmer for building your app or website, you can do it by yourself if you know the programming and software development. So, this is another substantial reason to learn programming. Number 1, you can be your own boss. In 2020, many people had lost their jobs because of the global pandemic. However, the technology industry was one of those special industries that stayed strong and even continued to grow, and very few workers with technical role had lost their jobs compared to other traditional industries. If you know programming, you can be your boss and work for yourself. It means you can work from wherever and whenever you want. If you don't like 9-to-5 job, then there are many other options for earning online in the programming field. There are many tech giant companies which offer you to work for them from home. You can also work as a freelancer, which is a quite good option these days. There are lots of top freelance jobs available, and freelancers are charging thousands of dollars based on the working hours. So, if you want to work remotely and independently, then programming is definitely an option for you. There you go guys, here are all the top 10 reasons why you should learn programming in 2021. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.